Hi, and welcome back to Decorating Part 2, Christmas. Today I have a little bit of cleaning to do. I'm going to clean the stove because I haven't cleaned it in like almost 2 weeks. I mean, it's not that bad. It really isn't. And then I need to wipe down the counters a little bit in the kitchen. And then also I want to decorate the Christmas tree. I know, it's early. And you're like, why are you decorating this early? Well, it makes me happy, and so you guys do you, I'll do me. But anyways, I'm gonna decorate the Christmas tree, and then also I'm gonna finish doing the entryway table. And I just love this background. You can just put it on YouTube. I mean, we have a real fireplace, but me, real fire? No, that would be a disaster waiting to happen. So no, I really wish that we can have a mantle, like a wood. What are those? Like just a wood shelf, but it's tile, and we have to figure that all out. So, but yeah, but that's what I have going on for you today. In the rest of the video, I hope you guys enjoy it, and don't forget to like, comment, and if you guys like this type of content, please subscribe. That would mean the world to me. And I will see you guys in a little while. Now I'm just showing you a clean overview of the kitchen. Everything's wiped down, the counters are wiped down. Next, we're gonna get into me decorating the entryway table here in just a second. I just put a little bit of Christmas stuff in the kitchen. I had to spread it around. I didn't have a lot. I thought I had more than what I thought I had. Like I said in previous videos and clips, probably, in our old house, I didn't have very much room to decorate, so I made it look like I had a lot more decorations and decor items than I really do have. So I just made it work what I could do for right now. So I'm just gonna take everything off, and you saw my daughter in the clip. She was coming out of the room. She doesn't like to be on camera, so yeah, she probably didn't even notice that. But this table runner, I wanted to actually put it on my kitchen table, but it's too short and it looked kind of funky. So I just put it on the entryway table. And that's pretty much it. I kept this very simple. Greens, I put a green truck there. You're gonna notice I have a lot of trucks, more probably than normal people have. But I love trucks for Christmas, for fall. I think it's just very pretty. So right here, I was decorating the TV stand. I never have been able to decorate this part because our TV has always had to sit on it, because in our rental, we didn't hang up the TV. But since we moved, we hung up our TV and I was able to decorate this. And this is all I had for like a village, you want to try to say, or whatever. So I worked with what I have, but I would love to eventually start picking up little pieces for a village. I've always loved that look for Christmas, all the different little areas and everything. But I was thinking about getting some of that little fake snow stuff to lay on top of there, but I'm not sure. And then here I'm just doing a little bit of decorations on the coffee table. I cannot wait to get rid of this thing. It's hideous. I hate this thing. It used to be black. I painted it white. We've had it 10 plus years. It came from Walmart. I mean, it does its job, but I would love to get one of those big ottomans. I think I'm saying it right. But yeah, that's all I'm doing. And I have a little fireplace going on the TV because, you know, it was a little too warm to have the real fireplace going. And again, yeah, I'm not doing that. I'm not touching it unless my husband's home, because that would be a hot mess of a disaster of me messing with that fireplace, the real one. So I'm going to go ahead and let you guys finish watching this little clip here.